To become fluent in English, you can use this video. Here you will learn to talk in English about your family and you. You can describe yourself, you can describe your family. There are sentences which you can repeat if you are a beginner. For advanced learners, mid-level learners, look at each sentence, understand the function of words, find out the meanings of difficult words, and practice them. My name is Anita. I am 32 years old. I am a geography teacher in a government school. I live in a joint family. In my family, there are 7 members. My husband Varun, his parents, his younger sister Lata, and my twin daughters Pinky and Rinku. We live in a small independent house with a garden. There are 4 bedrooms in our house. The house also has a living room, a dining room, and a kitchen. Our garden has some big trees: mango, guava, neem, and lime. We also have seasonal flowers and a basil or tulsi plant in our garden. Every evening we light a lamp beside the tulsi plant for the family's prosperity. My husband and father-in-law manage the family business. My mother-in-law takes care of the house and of all of us. She cooks excellent dishes for all of us every day. She is helped by our maid Tara, who has worked for this family for 20 years. We have a gardener, Dinu, who is Tara's husband. Tara and Dinu live in the small outhouse in the garden. My children study in the same school where I teach. My sister-in-law, Lata, is doing her MA at the university. My daughters and I leave for school at 8 a.m. We go to school by bus. Many children and some teachers who live nearby also go to the same school. It is a very popular school in this locality. Lata goes to the university on her two-wheeler. She leaves home at 9:15 a.m. My father-in-law and my husband go to the factory at 10:30 a.m. They drive down to the factory together in the family car. All of us carry our lunch boxes with us. After we all leave, my mother-in-law goes to a local self-help group for poor women. Women here are taught to make pickles, prepare handicrafts, stitch clothes, and do whatever they can to earn some money. My mother-in-law teaches some of these women knitting and embroidery in her free time. On Fridays, my elder sister-in-law comes to visit her mother. Therefore, my mother-in-law stays at home on Fridays. My elder sister-in-law is married to an advocate. She and her family live nearby. On Sundays, our house is full of guests. My brother and his family come to visit us sometimes on Sundays. My parents live in the village. When they come to stay with my brother in the city, they too accompany my brother to our house on Sundays. We often plan to go for picnics on Sundays with all our extended family. The children enjoy visits to the zoo or the amusement park. When we go to places which are further away, our neighbors also join us. Last year, we had gone to a forest resort to see wild animals. It was very interesting as the animals were not in cages like they are in a zoo. We saw elephants, rhinos, and zebras in the forest. We took many pictures and shared them with all our friends on Facebook. Many of them want to go to the same place after seeing our pictures. This year, we had planned to go to the sea coast which is 300 kilometers away. But it has been raining very heavily for the last few weeks. We had to cancel our trip. Everyone was upset, but my father-in-law told us not to feel sad. He promised that he would think of a better place to go to after the school term ended. Now, my children's exams are approaching. I have to help them with their studies every evening. My husband helps them with their science lessons whenever he finds time. During the weekends, the girls do not want to study. They like to spend time with their grandmother and listen to the stories which she tells them. Or they go to play with their friends in the park near our house. Twice a week, my daughters go to learn classical dance after school. Lata is a good singer. She is often invited to sing at local programs. All of us go to listen to her sing whenever we possibly can. In one of the programs, she met another singer, Nitin. Both of them have become good friends. One day, Lata told me that she would like to marry Nitin. She hadn't told anyone about this yet. Lata said that she wanted me to talk to her parents about this. I first told my husband, and together we decided to tell the elders. Nitin seemed to be a good person, and he belonged to a decent family. If the elders on both sides agreed, there would be a wedding in our family soon. That would be an exciting time of celebration for all of us. All our friends and relatives from near and far would come for the wedding. The celebrations would go on for at least a week. There would be singing, dancing, music, plenty of food, and the joy of meeting everyone. I remember my own wedding and how everyone enjoyed themselves. I have so much more to tell you, but let me stop for now. I will talk to you again when we meet the next time. See how easy it is to introduce your family and to talk about yourself? Look at the way in which the sentences are framed, all the information which is given. Also, remember that if you practice speaking about your own experiences, you learn the language well. So practice English by speaking about your own experiences. This will give you a great amount of confidence to say whatever you want about yourself or your family. Use the video to practice many times. If you need to watch it again and again, please do that. The videos are available to you so that you can practice many times. All the best and thank you.